welcome everyone. This is Archana here. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm back with another mixed media magnet. Today we'll show you how you can create colorful marble effect using chalk paints. I already gave this technique a try on one lid and wait for it to dry, and I just love the effect, so I thought to create these on two more lids using different shades of chalk paints. To create the effect, I pour few shades of chalk paints and use squirt stick with light pressure to mix the colors into each other. You can also use a toothpick for this process. Last time when I posted jar lid magnets, I got few requests to make part 2. So yeah, here I gave another try, and I will post the previous video link in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out. Here for the darker black shade, I use little amount of black acrylic paint, and I follow the same process on other lid as well. Because chalk paints are a bit thick in consistency, so it's very easy to achieve the marble effect. Okay, so moving on, I took resin ballet dancer castings and covered them using black gesso, and after the gesso dries completely, I apply bronze shimmer acrylic paint using dry brush technique. Then I glue down those resin casting in the lid, and next for resin mixture, as per the instruction on the bottle, the ratio is 2:1, that is 2 part of resin and 1 part of hardener. So for me here I mix 6 spoon of resin and 3 spoon of hardener, gave it a good mix and kept it aside to get it mature. Resin and hardner mixture ratio is vary from company to company, so read the instruction carefully and make the mixture according to it. In meanwhile, I also added one inspiration word, and after that I pour resin mixture in each lead, and I also added few sequins. And after resin dries completely, I glue magnet sheet behind the leads, and yeah, our fridge magnets are ready. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Do share your love and support by subscribing to my channel. Each and every subscription of yours means a lot to me, and also do join me on my other social media. All the links are in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. I will be back till then. Bye bye, take care and happy crafting.